Hello everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So this is just a quick video message regarding a recent video and a Griffin watercolour floral decoupage card making kits and these two cards. Okay, so I love your comments. You know I love your comments. Those of you who do comment, I answer you as soon as I can, which is normally straight away. Somebody left a very rude comment regarding this one, saying, does she know what decoupage is? Now, I presume that was pointing at me and these particular cards and this kit. Hasten to say that I have now blocked her and she cannot look at my channel anymore. If you leave a comment, keep it kind, keep it clean. There's no reason for you not to. If you don't like the videos, don't watch them. It's as simple as that. I explained in this video that I bought this as a partial kit. Didn't come with any instructions. I don't always have time to watch videos, believe it or not. And I made the cards from the contents the best way I could. This one was made just as a card how I wanted to make it, so it was my version of the cards, and I thought it came out really pretty. And then this one was decoupage because it's layered, as you well know if you saw the video. And it's layered according to the backs of the sheets that are supplied. 01, 02, P1, P2, P3. That's all you get. Okay, so it was layered according to the sheet I used for this particular one. So the person who did comment, as I said, is now obsolete and cannot watch any more of my videos and cannot comment. If you have a question, I'm happy to answer it, but there is no need for rudeness. Okay, so that's just a message about that particular video. Those of you who do watch my videos and do subscribe and do like, I want to thank you for everything you do. Please continue to do so, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.